What's up guys, it's Jeremy Miller. Since it's Earth Day today and it's such a beautiful day outside, I thought I'd take this opportunity to remind you how important it is to stay active and get outside during this time. So today I'm going to do a guided bodyweight workout for you guys. It's a workout you can do anywhere you want. You can do it in your backyard, in the park, in your house, as long as you're 6 feet away from people, of course. We're going to cover everything. We're going to do upper body, core, lower body, and everyone's favorite, some cardio at the end. This will be an intermediate workout that'll take between 30 to 60 minutes depending on how fast you go. This workout will also be written down on the UW Instagram stories, so if you want to do this workout yourself, you can head over there and screenshot that. And I also want to add that if you do this workout, make sure you push yourself. It is a workout, so it's supposed to be a little bit challenging, but with that being said, don't hurt yourself. All right, that's enough talking. Let's get after it. All right, so that part of the workout is done. If you've made it this far, good job, keep going. Now we're gonna finish this workout with a 2-mile run or walk. I'm gonna run, and I encourage you to run if you can, but if not, walking is totally fine. All right, we'll see you guys in 2 miles. All right, we just finished the workout. If you guys do this workout, or even if you get outside and do something active, post a video or photo to your story and make sure to tag UW. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.